How to get 90% off Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and then search by it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, grab one, open it. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber. You just have to scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 30% off, 25% cashback, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and head towards the website of Uber. Then you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Also, you can give a try to all the offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. To grab any of the offer, you just have to follow the same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to 90% off Uber coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.